Nikenda kwambiria mwaka boya thirikari ya county ya Meru tongeretwe ni ngavana Mutuma ntwethingia nibuthitie maromba akiaria ngavana Mutuma nirite athinjiri na kinya akariba Meru ati yakethira agitana mbere kuthikira na ukinyaniria mabataro ya Meru. Muthuri Murioki na ripoti.
Muthuri na ngavana wa Meru Reverend Isaac Mutuma ntwethingia amana munini wa Linda Kiome na obisi yo ngavana ibombete othirima na athinjiri ba Murungu na kiote kingi nikenda Kurombera County Meru na kinya gwika mibango ya thirikari ya mwaka juju marombene.
In your divine providence, you gave us this season that we are in as a county. You dethroned a leadership of God and you enthralled the leadership of His Excellency.
Tunamuombea hekima Bwana wa majeshi, kamzingine na damu yako inenayo mambo.
Kumbuka wale ambao ni wafadhili, wengine wale ambao wamesimama na katuzili Jehova.
Roho ya uzembe ninaikemea katika jina la Yesu Kristo.
Makiaria bagwite morotho ya mando ya jonde ni gutigira ati County Meru ina urumwe na kinya thiri nikenda uritinguke pomba kuthabo kiombekana.
Turi thirikari tubwitite kenda turia nonto Murungu okuwa na mwathani te muntu ari orongo butwirane atia mwathani abwirite manto ya Meru bijite kubwira ni kuromba kanisa eyukie kanya kayo ndene ya Meru County otaura mwathani amwire kutunenkera kanya ka utongeria in the governance, in the secular government.
Irato chokete ngugene as a county government, it is most important that tuambirie mwaka jwetu na ngugi yetu na maromba na ikyo nonto governor aronere ibwega sana. We congregate back here as a team and we thank God for you. Na tuchokere mwathani nkatha nonto butua the gift of life so that the things we have been planning to do in the new year, God has given us the breath of life and good health to come back and execute those things.
Ontoborea kinyotongeria pa County Assembly ya Meru yombite kurikithia na kuwe bagetha bagitania ngavana amwe nikenda gutigira witi na mbere bokuonekana kinya maturene
yao kwa indona nge challenge ngira wawe ithile twira bukwenda twira maoni ya 45 kagilibo agila mali ndaposi maendelea ranga pana Mutuma ntethete kuthithia akithi for that period short ira to kuma ofisine muringira ni rwe dawa ono tebi ndara ajole bibi ara akithi bwana ungambere na ni akwire utebi ngi ndara bia akithi
ona za MCA ndi na Rose chia kwa za MCA ngavana na chiawe CC na chiawe CEO na chiawe na inya kiranje benai bena Rose chia watu ko Prime Society anko go muntu na ajibike kiro wewe sasa sawa ikenda society ombo karai wega
batwe as member of the County Assembly, His Excellency, to hearing this new year, we promise before the man of God that to our full support and your administration fully in accommodations, Bishop Buria. So batwe we are there.
Ndathithirie ngugera nkera inya bayoyo bakwa mbere kwiyita tutari na thirikari lakini gukurukira Murungu turareterwa murombi Murungu ama na ngavana gutwitira ngugi.
Muthuri Murioki, Oro TV, Mutejo Kangangi.